Here we come to the elevators at the A&M Hotel and Conference Center located on the Texas A&M's campus in College Station, Texas. These are Kone EcoDisc elevators from 2018. Unfortunately, the guest elevators are locked off, so these are the only elevators you can ride, and I really love that Howdy greeting on the hand sanitizer. That is quite interesting. Let's ride, here we go. Oh, this is a nice elevator, especially for a Kone. 3. Oh, this is a nice elevator. One. For a modern new Kone elevator, this is absolutely nice. I mean, very nice elevators. Alright, I'm gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. Oh, it's already here. Oh, what a coincidence. These are the low-rise elevators. Unfortunately, the high-rise elevators are locked, so I'm not gonna bother filming those. So let's go back down to 1 and we'll end there. This is a beautiful cab. I really love the decoration on it, or the design actually. These are your fixtures, KSS 570. Welcome to Texas A&M. All right, we'll watch it close. There it goes. And that'll be it, and gig 'em.